guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Today I am reviewing my favorite sunscreen lotion. It's Lotus Herbal Safe Sun UV Screen Matte Gel. This sunscreen lotion is great for summer and oily skin. Before we start, subscribe to my channel to get more product reviews. Hit on the bell icon and be the first one to watch my new video. I also have a Facebook page in the name of Experience the Change with me. Please follow the link given below. Let's get started. This is Lotus Herbal Safe Sun UV Screen Matte Gel, and PA means it's a protection from only UVA rays. PA plus means 2 to 4 hours of protection. PA plus plus means 4 to 8 hours of protection, and PA plus 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 means more than 8 hours of protection from UVA rays. SPF means sun protection factor. It will protect from UVB rays. So these are the two harmful rays which we must protect ourselves. If any product written with broad spectrum, then it give protection from both the rays. UVA rays cause wrinkles, premature aging, and UVB rays responsible for skin cancer and sunburn. This sunscreen lotion comes with bright orange tube with a flip cap to avoid leakage. So it's for normal to oily skin. So those who have pimples or acne, they may not be able to use lotion or cream because of their oily skin. They get easily breakouts. So this is gel based sunscreen lotion, and it's great for oily skin and for harsh summer. And let's see what it claims. So it's a sunblock which is totally non-oily and provide a fresh and clean finish to the face, neck and hand. It protects against all forms of sun-induced damage, that is skin tan, sunburn, premature aging and skin cancer. It contains extract of horse chestnut, comfrey and vanilla. Have to apply evenly on face and exposed parts of body. Reapply frequently, that is every 2 hours for best result. 100 gram cost you for 440 rupees. It's also available in 50 gram as well. So I will provide link in the description box. You can buy it from Amazon. If you want to try out other product for oily skin, I will provide a video link in the upper right corner. You can check it out there. It's top 5 sunscreen lotion for oily skin. Men can also use this sunscreen lotion. I like about the fact that it absorbs into the skin and gives a smooth and matte feel. Lightweight, so it doesn't feel like there's some product on the skin. So worth purchasing. It's a transparent white gel and has light floral fragrance, and I just love this fragrance. So let's see the pros and cons of this sunscreen lotion. It's a transparent sunscreen lotion and has light weight. Men also use this sunscreen lotion. Best for oily skin and has broad spectrum SPF 50. SPF 50 means high level of protection. And disadvantages are it contains paraben. Staying power is less. Frequent reapplication is needed for every 3 to 4 hours. Not waterproof and not water resistant. That's it for today's video, and comment down below and tell me which sunscreen is best for your skin type. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep supporting Experience the Change. Bye bye. Take care.